Today we're going to talk about the Excel's Home tab, and specifically the clipboard, font and alignment options, and how to customize them. The clipboard tab is where the options copy and paste get really powerful. You can of course use the Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V, Ctrl+X, Ctrl+Z for undo, and Ctrl+Y for redo. Here on the left side you have the paste button. It's a drop-down options with many flavors. For example, you can paste as values, formulas, formatting, transpose, and there are many more, and I really encourage you to try them out. Then we have the Format Painter. What it does, it copies the look and feel of any specific cell, and you can then with one click transfer it to another cell. How does it work? If you have formatted a cell, for example, specific font, size, numerical value, color, shape, whatever comes to mind, you can copy this formatting and paste it to a different cell. It saves a lot of time. Just remember that if you click once, it will work once on one cell. Double-click on this option to lock it, and then you can use it on many cells until you unclick it or press Escape to exit. If you want to adjust the clipboard, you need to right-click on it. Then click on the Customize the Ribbon option, and a new window will open. In it, you will see on the left the options you can add, and on the right the tabs in Excel. Select what you want and click the button Add. In the middle. If you want to remove any option from your tabs, use the Remove button. The font group controls how your data looks. It's as simple as that. You have many cool options to choose from here. For example, we have the font family and size. Excel, in its standard version, gives you more than 500 different fonts. You can use also the bold, italic, and underline options. The keyboard shortcuts are as follows: Ctrl+B for bold, Ctrl+I for italics, and Ctrl+U for underline. You can use the Fill color to fill a specific cell or range of selected cells with a color that you will choose. The font color is as simple as its name. It gives you a desired color of your font. Both work as a setup option for a cell, which means that you can set them up before entering data or format the cell after the data is there. Quick keys for them are Alt, then H and H for fill, or Alt, H, F, C for font color. The Borders drop-down option allows to format a cell or group of cells with outlines and grid lines. There are many options here like bottom right, bottom left, thick, thin lines. Explore them and find them out for yourself. The last two options worth mentioning are the increase and decrease font size buttons, and they are as simple as their name. They increase and decrease the size of a font in a specific cell or range of cells. For more options, click Ctrl and 1. This opens the Format cells. The Alignment section controls position and readability of the cell data. For example, we can align the data horizontally, to the left, center right, and vertically, top, middle, bottom. We can also change the orientation of the text for tight columns. The Wrap Text option adjusts the cell size to the length of the text. There's the Indent option to nudge the text. You can decrease or increase it. Then there is the Merge and Center option, but be careful when using it. What it does, it merges a few cells into one, but merging hides all of the data but for the data from the first cell. You can of course customize the Home tab to fit you. Right-click the ribbon, then click Customize the ribbon, and here we can create a new group under Home, add your favorites, rename anything, or even add a new tab. Thank you if you stayed till now. If this helped, subscribe to Excel Made Simple for more quick wins, and see you soon.